All right, so I'm gonna do a comparison. So this is an image that I removed. I used the remove black feature in Acrorip. Um, at the top, just ignore that. That's from like the peel. It was a bad peel. Plus, I think the film or whatever wasn't great on this one. So, but as you can see, like through here, black has been removed right there, but it's a solid base. All right, and then come over here. I haven't peeled it yet, but if we get really close, you could start to see the little dots of this one. This is a halftone image. You could definitely see it right there. So we're gonna go ahead and do a comparison. I'm gonna peel it real quick. Another thing to mention about this one is the film is different. This is a DTGpro's film, and that was a Mclaud film, or I'm not sure. It's easier if you just rip it. All right. Let's see. All right. So we still probably have to do one more press, and I do see some powder around the design. That'll probably pick up when I do the second press. But that's all right. There you go. That's half-toned. There. And you see the black is still filled in, but the design is half-toned. So it's supposed to be less ink. It feels, as far as this shirt feels, the shirt is flat. This one feels a little bit rougher, but I think it might just be the film as well too. Let's stretch test this. Alright, let's see how it goes. Right. That's holding up. I mean, that's after pulling on it. Still the same. What is it? Yeah, but if anybody's watching, let me know how the halftone is, how the halftone came out, because this is my first go at it. But I think I got it down. It took me like 2 weeks to kind of learn the technique. Yeah, that's all came out, guys. All right, appreciate you. Thanks for watching.